Welcome friends. Today we are going to discuss about the Air India plane crash in Kozhikode, Kerala and the black box of the aeroplane. What is the use of the black box and what is the black box? You know all about the news of Air India plane crash which is held in Kozhikode, Kerala. Many people are injured and 15 people are critically injured and 18 to 20 people are die due to plane crash. My name is Ashish and this video in English. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe this and press the bell icon for further videos and notifications. So we are starting. What is the black box and is a black box black in color? No, you see in the video this is the black box and this is the bright orange color. Why this is the bright orange color? Because they are bright orange to be easily visible at a crash site. And what is the black box? A flight recorder is an electronic recording device placed in an aircraft for the purpose of facilitating the investigation of aviation accident and incidents. Flight recorders are also known as misnomer black box. They are in fact bright orange to aid in their recovery after accidents. The black box is made up of two separate pieces of equipment. What is the two separate pieces? Flight data recorder FDR and a cockpit voice recorder. They are compulsory on any commercial flight or corporate jet. Yes, of course, this is compulsory. Without the black box, the any plane does not run and are usually kept in the tail of an aircraft where they are more likely to survive a crash. What does a black box do in a plane? An aeroplane actually has two black boxes. A flight data recorder which stores information on specific parameters such as flight control and engine performance. Cockpit voice recorder which records background sound and conversation between crew members and air traffic control, which is most important. Why is it called the black box? Yes, of course, this is a big question. The term black box was a World War II British phrase originating with the development of radio and radar and electronic navigation aids in British and Allied combat aircraft. These often secret electronic devices were literally encased in non-reflective black boxes or housing. What is the black box made of? Of course, black box are engineered to protect their brains, the memory boards that hold the data, so they are encased in aluminum, then an inch thick layer, 1 inch thick layer of insulation that can withstand high temperatures, and finally an outer casing of titanium or stainless steel. How soon will the analysis from the black box be available? It usually takes at least 10 to 15 days to analyze the data recovered from the black box. Meanwhile, the investigator will be looking for the other clues such as taking account from air traffic control. Personal and recording of the conversation between ATC and the air traffic control and the pilot's moments before the crash. This will help the investigation team understand if pilots were aware that they were in a situation and that was headed to such an eventually, and if so, whether they had reported any problems regarding controlling the aircraft. Additionally, the investigator will also be looking at various data recorded at the airport which would tell them about the precise point of touchdown on the runway and the speed at which the aircraft touched down. So friends, this is all about the black box. Of course, this is the big tragedy, airplane crash in Kozhikode, Kerala, and too many people are injured and 14 to 15 people are critically injured and 18 die. This is the big tragedy, and thanks for watching this video and prepare your notes. This is the more important for UPSC prelims. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye and see you for next video.